Hey everyone, welcome to or back to my YouTube channel. I'm Kayla Rodriguez and you are watching YouTube on the Kayla Rodriguez channel. In today's video, I will be unboxing a mystery bundle I got from Depop. I was watching a video by this girl Adriana on YouTube where she ordered a mystery bundle from Abigail Hall, and Abigail just put so much time and effort into the bundle and I just had to get one for my own. I messaged her my measurements, aesthetic description, Pinterest board, and my Instagram account. I ordered the bundle 6 weeks ago and I just got it now, but I will cut her some slack because she was very high in demand. Anyways, without further ado, let's get right on to the unboxing.
The number you have dialed has been changed.
We have the box. This is the mystery bundle I got off of Depop. We are hiding my address. So this is the mystery box I got from Depop. I ordered it 6 weeks ago and I'm just getting it now. Yeah, she was very high in demand. I wish I gave her a fall wish list though, because I asked her to look at my summer love and my classy gal, my hip year-round friends sections on my Pinterest board. So that is what she's supposed to get me. But it's fall now. Fall is my favorite season and I have enough fall clothes. I have my scissors. And we're gonna open this bad boy up. I better be doing this filming well, because if it's not filmed well, I literally can't reopen a box that I've already opened. Why in every single video of mine can I not open a box? Okay, this is what it looks like inside. We have this letter that I got from her and then the actual stuff. So we're gonna put that to the side because we're gonna open the letter she gave me first. And it says, my style file. It comes in such a cute packaging. There is literally this, and I love those. I literally have a digital style file. Here's the scan thing. It says, scan me. Your digital style file code is on the back. Scan and enjoy. It says, thank you for your order. Your order made our day. We hope we make yours. If you have any questions about your order, contact us anytime. We'd love to hear from you. I want to scan my style file. So it says, Kayla's bundle style profile. I really enjoyed putting this bundle together for you. I wanted to include things that had soft details such as lace. I wanted to channel a bit of that princess core element while still making that the bundle wearable. I think these pieces can integrate really seamlessly into a wardrobe and can look good both dressed up and down. Thank you so much for your support and patience. I hope you love this bundle. If you have any questions, comment, or concerns, please let me know. This is like my little mood board thing. So cute. Very much my style. A lot of this I know you can't wear out and things, but that's what she said earlier. She's gonna make this work seamlessly into my wardrobe and actually be wearable. Oh, this is actually my mood board, sorry. Just like style inspo. I chose to focus on softer colors for this bundle and give you some pieces that you could wear every day, dressed up or dressed down, and can work for you in many different ways. Outfit options. We aren't gonna get into this yet until we actually open what's in it. Oh my god. These are like nice quality items. Like I feel like so this is cute. It's a dress.
Thanks, Captain Obvious.
It is kind of salmony pink. It definitely is cute. I think I could see myself for this. Not 100% my style, but like we'll see how it looks on. So this is the first dress. I'm wearing heels with it. They don't really match, so like who cares about that? It is definitely cute, but I would say it could be more like cinched at the waist, but I could just wear a belt with it or get it hemmed. Yeah, it is cute. I feel like cottagecore, but yeah, I think I'm just gonna get a belt or something because I do like that cinched and then like more wide at the bottom like that. This is cute. So this is like a dress, yeah. Why can my brain not comprehend what a dress is? So this is cute. I really like this. This is definitely more my style. I think it is really, really cute. And the fit is really nice. And I do like things more poofy. Tell me what you guys think. So this is a top. This is cute. I would wear this for sure. It's from Blue Rain. It looks pretty darn cute. And I like how it's not like so
tight on the armpits.
The outfit idea she had was to put this on top of it. So we're gonna do that. And then of course we're gonna try it by itself. Like this is cute together. I like the idea she's going for sure, but I do probably think I like them by themselves better. But this is definitely a fit. It's cute, but we're gonna try the top by itself with some bottoms of my own. Okay, also this dress is from Zara. I love Zara, like they have such cute clothes. Okay, so this is the top with just a different skirt. It was already in my closet. It looks pretty cute. I think I could also wear these with some pants or something. But yeah, I think I'm definitely gonna get use out of this stuff. I really like the white dress and the white top. The pink dress I like too, but I need to figure out how I'm gonna style it because I want it more like cinched at the waist. But yeah, tell me if you guys liked this bundle. Abigail, thank you so much for styling me. I had a really fun time doing this. But yeah, you guys should definitely check her out. I'll link her Depop in the description down below. But keep in mind, she's very high in demand, and with that comes a little bit late shipping. You can tell she put a lot of effort into these bundles. So yeah, go check a girl out. Follow my Instagram down below. And yeah, subscribe. Share with your friends, like and comment. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.